Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saravana Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, belongs to SNS B Spine, SNS institutions. Today we are going to discuss about regarding the subject fundamentals of shipping in the specialization of logistics and supply chain management. So everyone know about that fundamentals of shipping. If you are going to import or export, the shipping industry is very, very important. For example, we are having the three types of in that roadways, airways, and waterways. So compared to these three transport, everyone know about that. The cheapest transport is seaways. So now only we are going to discuss about that each topic one by one. So why are ships important? So ships have been the leaders in transportation and are the safest and fastest way of transporting goods from one place to another. So shipping plays an important role in world trade and is the backbone of the world economy. There are over 81,000 ships that make up the world fleet, which act as the working power behind the maritime industry. So what are the types of ships? The classification of ships. A vessel can be classified according to the purpose of that. There are different types of ships are there. We will see one by one. Merchant ships, assistance and service, also called as special purpose vessels. Fishing vessels, it will be used for the fishermen. Peacekeeping, warships. We'll see one by one. Merchant ships. So what do you mean by merchant ship? Merchant ships are vessels that are designed to transport cargo and or passengers. So they are classified as, we are telling that liners or tramps. So different types of merchant ships. General cargo ship. General cargo ship carry everything from cut timber to heavy machinery. So in this cargo ship, we are import or export cut timber to heavy machinery. Then tankers. We are having two different types of tankers: liquid bulk tankers and gas tankers. Liquid bulk tankers we are using for carrying liquid chemicals and also different sorts of oil. That is LPG, liquid petroleum gas. Then gas tankers, this kind of ships carry liquefied natural gas, that is LNG. It's a special tank that are shaped like a circle. So in that circle only we will add that chemicals, that is LNG, liquid natural gas. It will be in that circle, we'll add it. As container ships, everyone know about the container ship, everyone know about the container also. Most of the movies also you have seen. Container ships are specifically designed for carrying their cargo in containers. Next one is RO ships. Roll-on, roll-off ships. Cargo ships transport car, trailer, trucks. It will be used for that if you take care 50,000 or in that crores and tons of cars we are going to export, means we are using these ships. So roll-on, roll-off ship. And also you can take the trailers and also the truck. So everything we are using for that RO, roll-on, roll-off ship. Next, dry bulk carriers. The term dry bulk means any non-liquid cargo in large amount, such as we are using for that grain, ore, cement or shredded timber. It means that cut timbers, right? So grain, wheat or anything you can take that dry bulk carriers. Next, coasters. Coasters are very important in the shipping industry. A coaster carries cargo along with the coast or sea voyages. So if you are traveling through the sea, if you have to carry the cargoes in the coast or on sea voyages. Next, Reefers. Reefers are very important in the shipping. For example, if it is a perishable goods. So refrigerated cargo vessels, it means reefer means refrigerated cargo vessels. Refrigerated cargo vessels are ships that carry perishable cargo such as meat or fruit. That's only I said it's a perishable goods. So it will be kept in that refrigerator. So we are using this ship that is a reefers. Next one, very important, lash vessels. So what do you mean by lash? Lash is nothing but fleet. It means the flat ship, right? So lash stands for lighter about ship. A lash vessel has a main deck that is flat. So it's a long flat area. That's only you can see in that image. And without any obstacles, a lighter is a container that floats in the water. Next, timber carriers. I already said timber. It's nothing but a tree, right? Cut off the trees. So timber is a raw material from which wood products are manufactured. Vessels that carry timber can easily be recognized by their tall derricks. So you can take that huge amount of timbers, you can take this ship. That is a timber carriers. It will be specifically used for timber carriers. Next, multi-purpose vessels. Cargo ships that carry both general cargo, bulk cargo and containerized cargo are called multi-purpose or multi-load vessels. So it's not used for one single purpose. It will be used for the multi-purpose. We already discussed about the containers, right? So you can take containers, cargoes and also bulk cargoes. Next, everyone know about the passenger ship. You have seen the film Titanic, right? So passenger ships are mainly designed to carry passengers and include cruise ships and ferries. We are saying that it's a ship, its another name is ferries. It will be huge and luxurious ship, right? So it's a passenger ship. Next, assistance and service. Vessels that render assistance and service have been designed to perform specific tasks. For example, assisting other vessels or providing special services to navigation. So these are all the different types we discussed. So next session we are going to discuss liner operations. So it's a different subject in logistics. So in coming session we are going to discuss many things. Thank you all.